क्या
Yeah.
प्रॉब्लम हो गई फैब इंडिया के साथ? ये फैब्रिक्स ऑफ इंडिया को, ये मेड इन इंडिया को क्यों नहीं सेलिब्रेट करना चाहते हैं तेजस्वी सूर्या और अदर बीजेपी लीडर्स?
See, what I feel is that this is really unfortunate that as we know, Diwali is very sentimental and auspicious festival in India, and people across the globe, they wait for this day to celebrate. And it would have been even in the interest of the company if they would have put the slogans like related to Diwali or something, which would have covered the sentiments of many Indians, many people who are interested and who like to celebrate this occasion. But this is unfortunate, I would say that. But at least the company realized.
What is unfortunate, the tweets by BJP or the ad?
No, I would say, that the people I have also seen the comments of different people. Not only, it is not about any political party. I have seen the comments being made by many different, people who are in the society. They didn't like the kind of.
Give me
ad
one
it was
comment
made.
which is not BJP and people did not like it. Quote one comment.
No, there are many such comments. They said that
Tell
this
me,
is
give me an example. Give me
culturally
one comment.
one comment. It says that it is culturally inappropriate.
Who said this?
When we are this is about the general people.
No, who
This is
general
about the
people?
general. Even
Sir,
I
when you're
would
saying
say
general people are affected, tell me who general people. We are talking to general people. They don't care.
No, they are. That is why it has come. No, that is why they are putting it like that. Even anybody, if you
Ashutosh ji,
ask,
you are
they
an
will
advocate,
say,
right? When you make a
Yes.
case and you make a point in the court, you give evidence, no? Now when you're
Yes,
saying
so
something
far-
on NDTV,
so
give
now
evidence. Tell me one person
I-
who's not a BJP person who's made a comment like this, or not a BJP sympathizer who said that they have a problem with the ad. One person,
I
one
have
tweet
seen-
only I ask for.
No. There are tweets. I will have to check the names of the people if you ask. But see, being lawyer, there are even the provisions in the law. Section 295A is there in the IPC, Indian Penal Code, which clearly says that if somebody insults or I think my learned friend, setting is more
Tessin,
interested
hold on.
into
I'll come to
laughing.
you. Hold on. Hold on.
So
Hold on,
it
Tessin. Hold on.
clearly says
Let him
that
finish. I'll come to you.
if somebody, if they are outraging the religious sentiments of people, even in that cases, many FIRs have been registered at different places. There is nothing to laugh, what my friend is,
Okay,
doing.
let's do this.
And
No,
if that
let's
was
not get
one
into
minute,
Tessin's
1 minute,
laughter right now. That's not the point. No, let's not digress there. Let me, let me help you, Ashutosh ji. Ashutosh ji, let me help you. You said you don't have it, on the top of your head. One tweet which is not BJP or some general
1 minute.
person
I
who's
want to
affected.
explain-
I'll give you
No,
2
if-
minutes.
If
I'll give
if
you
that
2
was
minutes
so-
to look for it. Please look for it. I'm
Okay,
sure Tessin will
if-
speak for 2 minutes.
No, before
So you
that,
please
if-
look for it, and at the end, I'm
No, no.
expecting one tweet.
If
Everything
if
that you're
was
saying has to
so-
be backed by evidence.
No,
So give
1
me
minute,
one
1
tweet,
minute.
okay?
Let me. No, if that was so appropriate, what was the necessity of the company to withdraw that ad? Why they withdrew it?
So now you have a problem with them withdrawing
if
the
it
ad.
was so fine. No, it is that has been withdrawn. Because BJP were objecting. The people were
Exactly.
very
Now
happy
you're
with the ad.
talking. That's what I meant.
Yes.
BJP objected. Don't say people were objecting. Don't say
Okay.
that.
So you
and
mean
if you
to say
that,
you-
and if you say
Yeah.
that,
So-
please give evidence. Okay.
that means you mean to say that people are afraid only because of the political party. That's why they are the company is withdrawing such kind of ad.
मैंने तो कुछ बोला ही
what
नहीं,
was
आप ही
wrong?
बता रहे हैं.
If
You are saying
no,
that.
you are no. This is what you are trying to
I'm not
take it from
trying.
my
I'm
mouth.
asking, sir. My
I'm-
job is to ask.
But-
I'm saying
Yes,
when you
so
say
this is what
when you say
even the
that there are
company-
people
No, we-
who have problems,
we
show me
should
those
appreciate-
people. I
we-
just
we-
want to put names
Yeah.
and faces to those people and know for myself. Maybe I haven't.
Absolutely.
Seen. It could be my
Absolutely. When
ignorance.
the-
So I want to
So
know.
wh-
Please show. Okay, and
Yes,
take
so
2
when
minutes.
the-
And take 2
so-
minutes. We've spent some
Okay,
10
alright,
minutes
you-
on you already. Take 2
Alright.
minutes. Take 2 minutes. I'm giving you
Okay.
ample time. Please look for
Okay,
these
alright.
tweets and get back to us.